Hi guys, it's your girl Tamika Renee and I'm back with another video. So today we're eating Marco's Pizza. If you didn't know, now you do. I did order the garlic bread, cheesy bread, whatnot, with the garlic sauce. Marco's Pizza, y'all. Oh, let me go ahead and pour this so y'all can see. Okay, and I'm eating with my plate. Oh, that's the blueberry. Y'all didn't see that. Blue raspberry. Clear American brand water. Seltzer. Flavored water seltzer. I wonder do I be saying the name right. But anyways, I'm eating with this cute plate. I got, look at this cute plate, y'all. I got 4 of them. And it say eat on all of them. Ain't that cute though? So cute, and it's like got the little flowery shape to it. So I really like that. And let me show y'all the pizza I got. I got the sauce they gave us here. They gave us ranch as well, and another garlic sauce. I did order the Magnifico. Okay, ordered that. Go ahead and put some pizzas on here. And for my son, cheesy bread. I ordered him chicken pizza. I already gave him 2 slices and Stan ate 1 of them. But y'all know I always order the chicken for my son. That's my son. We got that. Go ahead and open that. What you want to do is mix it though. My hair is drying. This is the crunchy pepperoni on there, and it's the old pepperoni. Oh my God. I eat like red pepper flakes on it to make it a little bit spicier. You said throw you a pizza? I dip it in the marinara sauce. I just bit my lip. I don't know why I got y'all this way. I'm gonna turn y'all this way. So, I don't know why I eat, who else eat the crust? Like, I eat the crust on everything, even like regular bread. I don't take the crust off the bread. I eat the crust. I like it. I'm not gonna say like, oh yeah. That could be the best part of it, but the crust on chicken is the best part. I don't see how people can take that off. I see people take it off. I'm like, that's the best part. It's so crunchy and good. But yeah, I eat the crust off a piece of bread. This piece of hidden. That cheesy bread, look. I dip that in the garlic sauce. I actually saved these too, straight up. Okay. was hungry. My stomach was growling. Bad. I'm right here tomorrow, y'all. Did you eat one pizza yet? At least?
I ate a pizza. I told you I wouldn't not eat no pizza.
Give me a kiss.
I'm gonna go pee.
Okay. Go pee. Alright. Now I'm full, y'all. I'm very, 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 very full now. Well, I'm content. This bread is so soft and nice and oh. You said just one?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. They soften. I like it. I actually wouldn't order from them for the longest, but my sister goes down. Girl, you gotta get Marco's. You eat one pizza, you full. Good Marco's. That is so different. I'm like, how different can it be? But it really is. I have never ate a pizza like that with that crust pepperoni on there. People probably used to that, but when I order from Pizza Hut or Domino's. Yeah. So I've been to Pizza Hut, Domino's. A real pizza place I have been to is where you make your own pizza. What was that pizza place then that your friend said he went to?
Blaze.
Oh yeah, Blaze Pizza. So Pizza Hut is somewhere I order the most from. I order all the time from Pizza Hut. That's my default. And then sometimes I'll get Domino's pizza. Like when me and Papa went into Walmart, but Domino's was right there, so I just got Domino's pizza. But usually when I'm ordering delivery, I'm getting Pizza Hut. Domino's, and then I also tried Blaze Pizza 2 times. It just wasn't like a place where I was like, oh, I gotta go there. I mean, you can create your own veggies and put that on there and stuff like that, but now if it's cheap there or something, like if the price is like, oh girl, you gotta go, then maybe I would go back. But I don't remember the pricing being like that amazing or the taste. So, but another pizza place I have been to is Villa, and also Sbarro's, which is my favorite. That's my #1 favorite type of pizza, but I never could get it like delivery. I would always have to go in the casino to get it. That's the only place I knew of it to be where it was. That pizza is so like it hit different. Villa remind me of that, the Villa, but no, nobody got nothing on that Sbarro pizza. I like how they take that pizza, put it in that oven, give it to you. That pizza is so good. It got a different taste to it, man. But I really enjoy that pizza. Let's see. Then they give you that stuff on there, like garlic, parmesan on there, all throughout it, like the garlic on there. I really enjoy it. Yeah, it do seem like the pizza size has changed, so. They used to be bigger than these, but they probably changing the size now. It definitely was bigger than this. Like, this remind me of freaking Pizza Hut or Domino's, and Marco's is bigger than that. But this, I'm fine with this. I tried their breadless pizza bowl as well. I took it to work when I was working at Amazon warehouse, and never again. It's like I mean, I guess if you craving pizza a lot and you can't eat bread, that's good to go for it like that. You can put any veggies you want in it and stuff like that. But it's like, when I ate that, I'm just like, it was not what I expected. It was flat as heck. And I should have known that because it's breadless pizza, so literally the bottom is just sauce. So ooh. Why are you gonna get off the couch like that, baby? Get off the couch.
What's wrong?
You're not supposed to be eating right there.
Oh.
Go eat where your plate at. So your hands not greasy? Your hands not greasy?
My hands is not greasy. My hands is
No,
greasy.
go sit down and eat your food.
Oh my God.
Alright. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. That was delicious. Okay? So if you got a Marco's pizza in your area, try it out because it's really delicious. Okay, we're gonna try it out. That was good. Your girl can recommend. I do. And until next time, you guys. Peace out.
Mommy, put some bread on this.